In this Studify AI review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this new, just released AI software. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or anyone looking for the latest in AI technology, you'll want to stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Studify AI can do for you and whether it's worth adding to your toolkit. Plus, I'll give you a chance to try it completely free from the first link below. So, what makes Studify AI stand out from the crowd? First off, it's all about its ability to streamline your workflow, whether that's for research, content creation, or even problem-solving tasks. This AI software offers a unique approach to solving complex tasks with an intuitive interface and powerful capabilities that have only recently become available. Let's talk about the AI's core function. Studify AI is designed to assist with deep learning and research-based tasks. It uses advanced algorithms to sift through large datasets, extract meaningful information, and then present it in an easily digestible format. If you've ever had to go through tons of research for a project or business idea, this can save you hours. One of the coolest features is its ability to personalize the AI's response. Whether you're conducting a deep dive into a particular topic or trying to solve a specific problem, Studify AI adapts to your needs, improving accuracy and relevancy over time. This is especially helpful if you're in a niche industry or doing highly specialized work. Now, for those of you worried about ease of use, Studify AI scores big here. While many AI tools require a steep learning curve, this software is designed to be user-friendly. You don't need a tech background to take full advantage of what it has to offer. The simple interface allows anyone, from beginners to experts, to jump in and start using it immediately. Another point to note is the collaboration aspect. Studify AI is great for teams working on projects together. You can share your findings, refine research, and even brainstorm in real time. The seamless integration with other platforms allows for easy collaboration, which is something that many similar tools lack. As a digital marketing enthusiast, I know the importance of accuracy and efficiency. Studify AI doesn't just deliver in terms of research, it helps you track trends, understand customer behaviors, and make data-driven decisions in real time. This could make a massive difference in the way you strategize your marketing campaigns, saving you time and improving your outcomes. So, is Studify AI the best new AI software? The answer depends on what you're looking for. If you need something that handles large-scale research, helps with content creation, or simply provides quick and personalized insights, then this is a powerful tool you should definitely try. Its ability to learn and adapt makes it stand out in a crowded market of AI products. Remember, you can try Studify AI completely free by using the link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and after trying Studify, it's clear it's one to keep an eye on. If you're looking for other AI tools that I recommend, check out the description for more options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.